A very good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our next lesson, which is kinetic theory of gases. Okay. So what is meant by kinetic theory means kinetic generally means which is moving, is it not? So here we are going to see with a moving theory which is based on the gases. First, let us see with what are the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. So the first one is all the molecules are identical elastic spheres. So we know that the gas or whatever particle we consider that consists of molecules, is it not? So here also the molecules are considered to be an identical and also elastic spheres. Okay, so identical means so one and the other molecule will be of same size, and also it is an elastic sphere. So elastic sphere means when it is made to hit on any particle, what happen? It return back. Okay, so that is a elastic sphere. Then the molecules of different gases are different. So when you consider the molecules of hydrogen as well as oxygen, okay, yeah, and when you see the molecules for hydrogen and for oxygen, they are different. Okay, so the molecules of different gases are different. Okay, so the first point is all the molecules of the gas are identical elastic spheres. Then second one is the molecules of different gases are different. Okay, then the third point is the number of molecules in a gas is very large and average separation between them is larger than the size of the molecule. Okay, so when you consider the number of molecules in the gas, it is large, and when you see the average separation between them, it is larger than the size of the molecule. So between two molecules, if you see, the separation is large, and if you see the size of the molecule, it is very small. Okay, so average separation between the molecule is very large compared to the size of the molecule. Okay, so this is the third point. Then the fourth point is the molecules of the gas are in the state of continuous random motion. Okay, so when you consider this to be a gas, and the molecules will never be at stable position. Okay, they'll be continuously moving. Okay, so the molecules of the gas are in a continuous random motion. Yes, next is the molecules collide with one another and also with the walls of the container. Okay, so these are all the container and these are all the walls of the container which you are considering, and here we have the molecules. So molecule, how they are in the random motion. So random motion means what? It will be continuously moving, is not? So while it is moving, what happens is they collide with what? One another. Okay, so ஒன்னு போய் என்ன பண்ணும்? They hit each other. Okay, and also with the walls. So container ஓட walls-லயும் போய் என்ன ஆகும்? They hit. Okay, so the molecules collide with one another and also with the walls of the container. So this is a fifth point. Yes, clear with this 3 points. The number of molecules in a gas is very large and the average separation between them is larger than the size. Next is the molecules of this gas are in the state of continuous and random motion. So they move. So while it is moving, what happens? They collide with one another and also with the walls of the container. Clear? Then next is these collisions are perfectly elastic. Okay, so these collisions are perfectly elastic. So what is meant by elastic is, so if they collide with one another, they again come back to the same position. Okay, same way when they collide with the walls of the container, they again come back to the same position. They will not stick to it. Okay, and so that is called as perfectly elastic. So அப்படி எலாஸ்டிக்கா இருக்கிறதுனால there is no loss of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy loss ஆகாது அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Okay, so the sixth point is these collisions are perfectly elastic, so there is no loss of kinetic energy. Clear? Next is between two successive collision, a molecule moves with uniform velocity. Suppose you consider like this. Okay, so this is one collision. Okay, and next is this is the other collision. Yes, so between these two collision, what happens? The molecule will move with uniform velocity. Okay, so between two successive collision, a molecule move with uniform velocity. Next point is the molecules do not exert any force of attraction or repulsion on each other except during collision. So collision time தவிர மற்ற டைம்ல the molecules வந்து will not exert any force on each other. So they will be just like this, okay? So they'll not exert any force on each other. So the molecules do not possess any potential energy, and it is wholly what? Kinetic. Because what is the second point we saw? The molecules are in the continuous random motion. So அப்ப move ஆயிட்டே இருக்கிறதுனால அதுக்கு ஏதாவது potential energy இருக்குமா? So it will not have any potential energy. It has only kinetic energy. Yes, clear with this? So the sixth point is these collisions are perfectly elastic. So elastic இருக்கறதுனால there is no loss in the kinetic energy. Next, between two successive collision, the molecule move with uniform velocity. Okay. Next is the molecules do not exert any force of attraction or repulsion on each other except during collision. Next is the molecules do not possess any potential energy, and it is wholly and it is only what? Kinetic. Then the ninth point is the collisions are instantaneous. So what is meant by instantaneous is it happens within a small time. Okay. So the time spent by the molecule in each collision is very small compared to the time elapsed between the two collisions. So at what time this collision is happening will not be able to follow, because it will happen within a fraction of seconds. Okay. And so the collisions are almost instantaneous. Then the last point is these molecules obey Newton's law of motion even though they move randomly. Since they moving randomly, it's not that they do not obey with the Newton's law, they obey with the Newton's laws of motion. Yes, clear? So these are all the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. This is a very very important one. Okay, so first one is all the molecules are identical elastic spheres. Then second point is the molecules of the different gases are different. Then the number of molecules is large and the separation is very larger than the size. Then molecules are always in the random motion. They collide with one another and also with the walls of the container. Next, collision always it is perfectly elastic. Elastic இருக்கறதுனால there is no loss in the kinetic energy. Next, between two successive collision, the molecule என்ன பண்ணும்? They move with uniform velocity. Then the molecules do not exert any force of attraction or repulsion except during collision. Collision இல்லாம மத்த டைம்ல there is no force. Okay. And so it is wholly what? Kinetic. It do not possess any potential energy. Then collisions are instantaneous. So the time cannot be found out easily. Yes. Then these molecules obey with the Newton's law. Clear?